As part of P2 in AQA GCSE Physics, you need to be able to describe motion graphs. We're going to have a look at distance and time graphs. So here we have distance up the y-axis and time here measured in seconds. And what we're going to do is we're going to plot a little shape on this graph. It's going to look exactly like so. Now, a lot of people find these very easy to mistake for velocity time graphs. This is a distance time graph. What is important in this graph is the gradient. So here we can see that the gradient is increasing. Here there is zero gradient, and here is a negative gradient. Now, what does this line represent? Well, if we were figuring out the gradient of any line, we would need to do the difference in y, okay, so the change in y, over the change in x. So you might have seen this also written as y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. They both say the same thing. This funky symbol here, delta, merely means changing. Okay, so here we have changed d, so on the y-axis, distance has been changed. This is represented by the units meters. The difference in x is measured in seconds. So we have meters divided by seconds. This is meters per second. Can you think of any quantity that is measured in meters per second? It is, in fact, velocity. So, the gradient of a distance time graph represents velocity.